Using Botpress to build an AI bot is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here Botpress AI. After that, click to open its site. After opening its site, tap to sign in if you have an account on Botpress. Otherwise, click to sign up and create your account. Click on Sign In and continue with Google once you sign into your Botpress account. Tap to create Chatbot from the left side dashboard. After creating your chatbot, click to edit your chatbot. Then choose the option you like to bootstrap your chatbot knowledge. You can choose the option Tap to start from template. Then select the template you want to use to create your bot. Select the AI Public Personally option and click to say hello to your chatbot. Now you have created your chatbot successfully. You can change the greetings from here by changing the message as "Hey there, how are you?" Just like this, you can make any changes you want, then tap to publish your chatbot.